Communication is critical in the retail business.
I'm Steve Johnson of Zumbrota Ford, and I'm in a pickle. I'm a dealer for the people.
We had a disastrous situation with a previous phone provider. We were involved with 2 different business entities in 2 locations, and our challenge was to sync those together to make communication easy between 2 businesses. Our customers want answers and they want them now. But we need to get to the customer, respond quickly and accurately, and whether it's a sales department or service or a parts department, they don't have time to wait. I'm not much on technology due to my age and my gray hair. I grew up having a candlestick telephone in my house. We're very satisfied with our service and our equipment from Emergent. The phone system has a lot of great features, and some I'm still learning. The people that work here were able to adapt very quickly, and they were able to teach me all the ins and outs of the technology. But overall, we're very pleased with the technology and how it impacts our business. I'm happy to recommend the company. They've done a good job for us. Terry's always come through. We give him a call and he's here, gets it corrected, responds quickly. Communication is so important in our retail business. When things happen, you want to make sure you're going to be served quickly and accurately, and Emergent has done that for us.